Draw a tangent and normal to this one. Is my screen visible now? Yeah, right. So we have drawn a epicycloid, I mean hypocycloid over here, right? Now I have selected this point somewhere here, okay? Yeah. See, I have selected a point somewhere here. Now, what I will do, I will set this. This is the point. So let me change the color of that one. Yeah, some blue. I have selected the point here, which is in the blue color. Here you can see on the hypocycloid. Now I want to draw a tangent and normal to the particular point. Okay, right. Now I'll copy the circle. CO enter. Yes. Immediately enter with the base point with the circle, and I will keep the somewhere here. Okay, right. Now draw a line which is touching. Make a point. PO enter where it is touching the center line. See, this is your point where it is touching the center line. Yes or no? Yes, are you able to understand? See, I have selected a point here on the hypocycloid, and from this point I have copied this, whatever the circle we have, I have copied here, and I am making the point where it is touching the center line. Okay. Okay, now I will delete the circle and I will draw a line from here to here, from this base point to the this line where it is touching the center line. Okay. Now from this point I will extend this line up to the this path line. This is your path line because this is the where this circle is rotating. Now I will extend this line, EX double enter. With I will extend this center line which is touch this one. Okay. Now I will join L enter from this point where we got the line, and I will join here. So this is your normal. Okay. This is your normal which you got from here. I will change this color to the okay. Now I will copy this line, CO enter, somewhere here, enter, at the midpoint. I will copy here and RO enter, select the object. Okay, enter, it will select the base point. I will select the midpoint. Okay, and I will give the angle 90. So now CO enter, I will copy this one, enter, point I will place somewhere here. Okay, now if you increase the width of this both the lines, this is your tangent and normal. Okay, yeah, p-edit, enter. This is your line and this is your line which I want to increase. Do you convert into y? Yes, enter, and width 0.6. This is your normal, and here also you can p-edit. Instead of the before only, if you do p-edit when you draw the tangent and when you copy, it will be easy for you. Y enter and width W enter. Select the object.
Sir, first point ఎలా తీసుకున్నారు అది చెప్పండి సార్ మళ్ళా వినలే.
1 second. Right. Okay, this is your tangent and normal. Yeah, right. First of all, we have taken a point on this one, on the epicycloid, somewhere on the point. But if you take exactly according to the problem, see, 9 centimeter from the center of the baseline. 9 centimeter from the baseline means you will get a somewhere here. Okay, if you want to draw exactly according to the problem, see, C enter, 9 centimeter, yes, tail. Okay, escape, C enter. From this line you have to take 90 mm, 90 mm, and your point will be here. Okay, 90 mm, which is touching. You can draw a tangent and normal here or here. Okay, and after that you can make a point as it is very corner. So instead of that one, as the point is according to the problem, the tangents and normals are coming here or else here. Okay, instead of that one, I have selected a point here somewhere on the hypocycloid. Okay, and from this point I have copied. After that I have placed here, and I have selected the center line, and I have extended this line, and after that I have joined this one. This is your process. Okay, clear? Just practice it.